Not all search ads are created equal. That's the topic of our video today. My name is Carl from Remodeling Marketing Team. And if you have not scheduled your strategy session with us yet, be sure and do that on our website. So, what we want to get into today is search marketing, SEM, search engine marketing. And there really are two categories of search engine marketing that we want to deal with today. There is what's called the search network, and then there's what's called the display network. And we're speaking about Google specifically, although the Microsoft ad network, which includes Bing and Yahoo, operates the same way. In the search network, what we're going to do is we're going to target a set of keywords, and then we're going to show a text ad that supports that search, that matches up to that search. So, for example, if I am looking for kitchen remodeling in my area, I'm going to create a text ad that speaks to that concept. Are you looking for a kitchen remodel? And it's going to have a description in it. I'm probably going to have an image extension and a phone extension and a few other things on it to make it a little better converting ad. And then we're going to put that in front of people who are actively searching for those things in the moment. On the other hand, you have what's called the display network. And the display network is just like it sounds. It is a set of banners or banner ads or graphics that are shown to people who match the profile of what you're looking for or on websites related to what it is you do. And so what they're going to do is they're going to be seeing your brand. And this is really what I want to get to is in this discussion. A search ad from a textual standpoint is based on the intent of the person doing the search. What we know about that person is they are researching in the moment a certain topic, and we're wanting to capture them at this high point of their intention. A display ad, on the other hand, means you're a likely prospect, but we don't know if you're actively in the market for what we do. However, we're going to put our brand in front of you. We're going to raise your awareness of who we are, so that when it's time for you to make that intentional decision, perhaps we'll be the person you think of. Now, you can use these things in conjunction, and this becomes a really effective strategy that's called retargeting. And the way that works is we use that first search ad to get you to the website. And once you're on the website, you're tracked then by Google with a display ad that is going to follow you through the rest of that process till you make your decision. And so when you use those things in tandem, you tend to see a much higher conversion rate take place. Hope you find this explanation helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon.